Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BKS Sports. Igama lami ubonga inkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. In today's video I have latest news updates on what is happening currently in Turena. We'll talk about Khanyisa Mayo and Bradley Cross's absence in the squad that traveled to Spain, and the latest update about what is happening with them. But indaba ezimnandi ukuthi Bradley Cross sekabonakele. People were asking, where is Cross? Is Kaizer Chiefs selling Cross? Akayindawo. He's our best left back at Chiefs. Khanyisa Mayo, why he didn't travel to Spain. We'll talk about two youngsters of Kaizer Chiefs that one joined Richards Bay FC. Uthulane, not Uthulane, Siyabonga Kumede man. And the other one is Uspesihle Dati is on the verge of joining ETS Galaxy. And then we'll talk about Uthabang Mathuludu ukuthi azabuyele kwi preseason kwi Polokwane City. Ama-team ase-Gauteng athulele nawamsayine ngani because he's the talk of the town, the second best right back in the country. Kodwa ke nalazi udaba ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi sekude bengicela ningisize ngokulike on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke maso subscribe dango kaningi. Hey, ngaze ngikhohlwe. Angidlulise nje ukubonga ukuthi currently I'm sitting on 9,000 subscribers. I think it's 908 subscribers if not mistaken. So from 8,000 to 9,000 kusho likhulu kumina lokho. The more I make content, the more ama subscribers ngiwathola, and ama views wakhona now abaleke kakhulu. That's why I always emphasize ucela ni like, but ngawaste isikhathi ngakhuluma kakhulu. Thank you very much. Asivele sihlalo dabeni. There's always a trend ukuthi every season iKaizer Chiefs kumele kube nama players that are from their reserve team that will be signed by other clubs in the top flight football with PSL. And you cannot blame Kaizer Chiefs because sometimes we know very well ukuthi they won't stand in the way of these players getting a professional contract because they still have their own problem that they need to sort ukuthi if we promote youngsters to the senior team, what must we do in order for them to succeed? But the ones that don't get that opportunity to be promoted, they won't stand in their way of trying to get professional contracts in other clubs in the Betway, not in the Betway, but in the PSL, because it is important for their growth. So they can't stand in the way of that. Specifically, Dati is on the verge of joining ETS Galaxy. Usiyabonga Kumede has joined Richards Bay. Both these players are 22 years old. They were very key in Kaizer Chiefs clinching that DDC title the season previous, this one that just ended. And that shows okay, they are good players if they are targeted by these other PSL clubs. So learn to cousin okay. Sometimes you don't have to blame Kaizer Chiefs because even the ones that were snatched in front of their eyes, we never thought they might become the players that they are right now. About the Tejani, about the man. So it's all about that. Okay, these two, we wish them all the best. And I believe this is the right thing for Kaizer Chiefs to do. Let's not stand in their way. Why? Because it simply means we will keep on making sure we invest in these youngsters, but we know very well most of them they won't make it to the senior team. So the best thing is for them to go elsewhere and find themselves. But the ones that we promote, we should focus on them. We will use this one. Utati is a good attacking midfielder. Ukumete is a good center back. And I believe right now the decision that they've taken, it is for their growth, and we hope they might do well. And the Kaizer Chiefs now on the other side, they have their own players that they need to make sure they protect at all costs. So ndlela nhle bafowethu sobonana sesibonana nje sikhipana inkani kuyo khona le PSL yethu because incane vele inje, but akukho kutheni I want us to talk about uKhanyisa Mayo. People are asking questions ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoMayo. Is he leaving Kaizer Chiefs or there's something? I think there's an injury kuKhanyisa Mayo. The last time I saw him, he was on crutches when they were unveiling uThabo Moloisane. There was a video there and he was on crutches. And people think that maybe Kaizer Chiefs didn't sign him permanently because they haven't announced yet. No, it was also confirmed by Mickey June, as you can see on the screen. Ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs agreed to pay CR Belouizdad on 2 installments. The first one will be paid in July and the second one will be paid in November. So he is a Kaizer Chiefs player. There's nothing to be worried about. The only thing esingaba concerned ngayo ukuthi I recover fast and then next season adle net. That's what is important. Lokho kunye akusabalekanga. But it's a good thing ukuthi he's finally crucified. The only thing now emele siyibheke ukuthi okay, i-competition iyoma kanjani and uzomelana nayo kanjani. Lokho kunye akufuni thina. And then Bradley Cross, it's another player people were asking ukuthi Cross. Cross is in Spain. We saw Mfundo Vilakazi kwi-story sakhe laphana ku-Instagram updating with okay, we are in Spain, and there was a picture there and Bombon Bradley Cross, and the thing that delayed him not to go with the team, it was that he was from the FIFA World Cup that was hosted by 3 countries, USA, Canada and Mexico. So those players that went there were given an extra time so that they can be able to rest, even though Cross didn't play much. But mthetho ayikho into esingayenza. So ngingazikhathazi, Bradley Cross is one of our best left backs. iKaizer Chiefs angeke imthengise. I just hope nje ukuthi next season angeke zimkhalele because the system yaka Fernando da Cruz, it is very challenging. And for the fact that offensively is not that sound for Kaizer Chiefs, but defensively he's very good, it raises concern ukuthi uzomisa kanjani. But he always finds a way. I think even the coach might find a way that he can use him to his best strength defensively. That's what we know him of. Okunye ke sikubonakala sekuqoqwa bafethu. Let's talk about uThabang Mathuludi. uMathuludi indaba yakhe, it is surprising, not surprising man, it's long. It is shocking, to be honest. A player that was a talk of the town because we know very well that he is a good player. And they even said that he is the second best right back in the country. But he's still at Polokwane City. How come? Because by now, I believe there should be a team in Gauteng. It's either Pirates, Chiefs, or Mamelodi Sundowns should have signed him. And for the fact that the Kaizer Chiefs, there were no links between him and the Kaizer Chiefs, it raises concerns. It simply means the Kaizer Chiefs were not interested. Because that simply means that if they were, this was the perfect opportunity for him to be signed by Chiefs. But instead, Kaizer Chiefs gave Dylan Solomons a contract extension, and also there was a link between Kaizer Chiefs and Umhleli Mabuse, whom ended up signing for another club lay in Luxembourg. It differed down 0-3. So that simply means that if Kaizer Chiefs were interested, ngabi chance yabo ukuthi bamthenge. But I believe that there's something else that might be making it difficult for him to find the team. I think Polokwane City, it's either they are not willing to lose him, or evaluation a player, it is too much for these 3 clubs to consider. Okay, let's sign him, thinking about things like what has he done to be priced with a high price. So that simply means okay, now they are considering things like okay, let's look at our squad depth and look at the position that he's playing, and then is he worth it? Even though he's good, Chiefs has 3 right backs: Solomons, Frosler, and Umonyane. Orlando Pirates has Van Roen. They have who's another right back konje ku Orlando Pirates. Uthi Sibelebele banokumdlala laphana. I thought ukuthi maybe he might go to Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns, there's Umdunyelwa, there's Keegan Johannes, there's Umudau. So you see ukuthi okay, there's no pressure to bolster in that position that much. But you never know. Anything might happen because this is transfer window. You expect the unexpected. But Chiefs naye beyazoba i-addition right. But Kaizer Chiefs also made the right choice by giving Dylan Solomons a contract extension.